Alright, today I'm going to be replacing my low beam headlight on my 2012 Chevy Equinox. Come under the front passenger tire, and you've got this thing here, and that's where your headlight housing is. And right here there's a T20 screw. Once you've got that bolt, that T20 bolt taken out, this just turns and pulls right out. And then this thing right here screws out. I'm just gonna come up here and grab that, twist, and that just pulls right out. And in there you've got your bulb here, and you'll turn it counterclockwise. I've already turned it, so you're going to turn it to the left, and then I've already turned mine like I said. It just comes right out like so. And you can see that light was definitely burned out. So then you'll just replace the new. I'm using the Sylvania. It's a H11 bulb is the type of bulb you'll want to get. Using the Sylvania brand, and you'll just repeat the process backwards of how you uninstalled it.